Good morning. This is Steve Carmel from the National Weather Service in North Platte with your multimedia briefing concerning a flood watch out for portions of the region. Our current watches and warnings, the flood watch area delineated in green. The flood watch is for portions of central Nebraska, north central Nebraska, and southwest Nebraska, including Custer, Garfield, Loup, Wheeler, Chase, Frontier, Hayes, Keith, Lincoln, and Perkins counties. We're looking at prolonged heavy rainfall amounts during the next 24-hour period with 2 to 4 inches of rainfall expected by Monday morning. Some locally higher amounts are possible. So here's our flood watch decision support. Again, we're looking for some prolonged heavy rain across parts of central, north central, and southwestern Nebraska. This rainfall will begin this afternoon and continue through the middle of the day Monday. This means conditions are favorable for flooding, and those living along rivers, creeks, and streams should be aware of rising waters, and low-lying and poor drainage areas could see a general flood threat. Again, our flood watch is out. It just means there's a potential for some flooding based on current forecasting conditions. Be prepared when conditions are favorable for flooding. It doesn't mean that flooding will occur, but it is possible. We do need your reports if flooding occurs, so please let us know through social media or call the office. Here's the weather map projection for today, Sunday, June the 8th. Flash flooding is possible in the area, in the red hatched area, and severe thunderstorms are possible down in the southern plains along the stalled frontal boundary. For Monday, we still see the threat for some flash flooding in the crosshatched red area, and a severe threat more towards the Gulf Coast and into the southern plains. Here's satellite imagery from this morning. At mid-morning on Sunday, we have an extensive moisture plume coming up over into our area of concern. There's a strong upward disturbance over the Great Basin that will be lifting over the central plains this afternoon and tonight. Again, here's our flood watch decision support table. And again, this has been Steve Carmel with Flood Watch information from the National Weather Service. Thank you very much.